Here in Massachusetts, both the breathalyzer and the breath test operator need to be certified by the Office of Alcohol Testing, which is a division of the state police. So the breath test needs to be certified every year, and the breath test operator needs to be certified every 3 years. And if you're arrested and you take the breath test, you'll get a report from the breath test, and it will show the expiration date for the breath test certification and the breath test operator's certification. So you should check those dates. Almost certainly they'll both be in good standing, but it is possible that one or the other is not. And you should also be aware of this requirement because sometimes it creates problems for the police during an OUI arrest that you may be able to capitalize on as a defendant. Every once in a while, you'll get a situation where police will arrest somebody for drunk driving, and in that very moment, they don't have a certified breathalyzer, or they don't have a breath test operator at the ready who can do the test. So they have to scramble to find another department that has these things that they can use. In many cases, they go to the state police barracks and do it, but they may go to a neighboring town and use that town's breath test or breath test operator. But it creates issues because the breath test needs to be done within a reasonable amount of time from the time of the stop. And it also creates problems in some instances with discovery. Whenever you get overlapping police departments on an arrest, there tend to be discovery issues. To give one example, I had a client recently arrested for OUI. It was in a small town here in Western Mass. The police department either didn't have a certified breath test or a certified breath test operator. So they had to take my client to the state police barracks. Now, what the state police do is they turn on their body-worn camera, and they usually put it in a stand or a tripod or something, and they record the breath test procedure. This either wasn't done or it was done and the video was lost by the state police. Either way, the prosecutor couldn't get the video and ended up null-prosing my client's OUI charge. Right? So you should be aware of this. You should look for it in the police report. You should check the breath test report. I've written a blog post on this, and I'll put it in the description below.